What are you doing, madam?
I'm going to Goa. And if you can't go to Goa, you can bring Goa home. We are bringing Goa home today with this guy. This is for a Goan fish curry. But the difference between this Goan fish curry and other Goan fish curries that I've had is that this does not use a drop of oil. While the fish is marinating, important part of the recipe. So the gravy is simmering, the rice is also kind of cooking, and I'm gonna head for the beach. Sunscreen. One thing I love about Goa is if you're having a bad hair day, you can blame it on the breeze. And if you don't want to blame it on the breeze,